In front of me is REALME Narzo 60, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and access it in the background. In order to do that using Tricky's navigation, use this button with 3 lines. Now tap on those 3 dots at the top right corner of your app and select Split Screen. Then click on the second app. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. In order to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!